Right here, I have a Lenovo laptop that comes here for keyboard replacement. And when I try to disassemble the keyboard, I noticed that one of the screw right here is stripped. I don't know if you can see that, but this is what it looks like under the microscope. One of the screw that is holding the keyboard is stripped. So now I know that somebody has been opened or disassembled or worked on this laptop before, and they stripped the screw. Now I have to deal with this and remove the stripped screw from the laptop so I can work on this laptop. Alright, so the stripped screw is out from the laptop, and this is what it looks like under the microscope. That's the stripped screw. Another thing that I noticed is one of the screw right here is also missing. And because this laptop is now on my possession, now I am the one who are responsible for this strip screw and the missing screw. And I don't know what else that is missing from this computer. Alright, so the keyboard is almost out. It's still connected to that cable right there. And the other thing that I noticed is this card right here. There's supposed to be a screw right there that is screwing this card into the laptop, but the screw is missing, it's not there, and the card just dangling around like this. So the customer hasn't paid me yet. We haven't agreed to the total cost of the repair for this laptop. He just brought this laptop to get an estimate for the keyboard replacement and also the memory upgrade. But after seeing that there are some missing screws and strip screws from previous repair, what do you guys think I should do? Should I just leave it alone like this because hey, that's how the customer brought it here and that's how they're gonna get it back? Or should I just, install the screw right here and replace the missing screws and fixing the problem that the previous computer repair place or person did to this laptop? You know what I will do. I'm gonna find some screws that fits the laptop and replace those missing screws and strip screws. The customer may or may not pay me extra for this. I don't care. I found this one screw right here and hopefully it will fit this one here. Let's see. Yay, it fits. There you go. See how easy it is? Alright, let's find two more screws. This screw right here may not be the correct screw for this laptop, but I'll try. And there you go, it fits. Oh, and by the way, I got all these screws right here from the recycled computers. The computer that people brought here for recycling, or the customer left here because the computer is dead and it's not worth fixing or something. I took all the screws, put everything here and use it just in case if something like this happened when the other customer needs some extra screws. Alright, I found this one right here. It's a different color. It's silver instead of black. And see if this will fit. There you go. The screw fits. And look at this. This is the old screw that is stripped.